Hi children, in this class we are going to discuss the applications of simple equations. Okay, so especially word problems. While doing the word problems, we have to remember some points. That is, first read the problem carefully, understand the situation, according to the situation, establish the relation using equations. Okay, so now first let us read the problem. The difference between two numbers is 8. So the problem is about the two numbers, and what is given? The difference is given. How much it is? 8. Okay, just let me write first what is given. So difference of the two numbers, the difference of two numbers is 8. Now, if 2 is added to the bigger number, so among these two numbers, one is big and the other is smaller. Okay, right. So, after adding 2 to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. The result will be 3 times the smaller number. Now, here, the two numbers, one among them is the bigger, the other one is smaller. Now, let us concentrate which one to be taken as the variable. Okay, anything. So, let me take in this case, so the smaller number as x. Okay, so right. Let the smaller number be x. Then what will be the big number? What will be the bigger number? The bigger number is equals to, can you say? So x plus 8. How? Let us see. So the bigger number is x plus 8, smaller number is x, and what is given? Difference. Difference means subtraction. Okay, so plus x minus x gets cancelled, and what will you left with? 8. Is it okay now? Yes. So the difference of the two numbers is 8. So I have taken the bigger number as x plus 8. Okay, now continue. 2 is added to the bigger number. 2 is added to the bigger number. 2 is added to the bigger number. Then what will happen? The bigger number is x plus 8, and what is added? 2 is added. Now that is x plus 8 plus 2 is 10. Now the result will be, what we have taken, the result is equal to 3 times the smaller number. First, what is 3 times the smaller number? 3 times the smaller number. The 3 times the smaller number is equals to 3 times the smaller number is x, so 3x. So according to the situation, I am going to write the equation now. So according to the problem, so the result, what is the result? X plus 10 is equal to 3x. Okay, so now finally, so we have a simple equation. Now let us concentrate on solving. So now plus 3x when moves to the other hand, this side, so that will become minus 3x. X minus 3x is equal to plus 10 and moves to the other hand side, so minus 10. So what is the coefficient of x here? 1. So signs are different. What we have to do? Subtract and carry the big number sign. So big number sign is minus. After subtracting, what you have got? Minus 2x is equals to minus 10. On both the hands, I have cancelled minus. So now finally, what is the meaning of 2x? So 2 into x is equals to 10. Now 2 is multiplying and moves to the other hand side, that is transposing 10 by 2. So 2 table 10 is 5 times. So that is 5. So we got x is equals to 5. So what is x? smaller number. So therefore smaller number is equals to 5. So now still we have to find bigger number. So bigger number is equals to, so x plus 8. But what we have got x? 5. So 5 plus 8, that is 30. So finally we found the values of the two numbers, that are smaller number is 5, the bigger number is 13. Now let us see the sixth problem, that is a man walks 10 kilometers, then travels a certain distance by train and then by bus, as far as twice by the train. If the whole journey is of 70 kilometers, how far did he travel by train? Okay, so this is all about a person covered a certain distance of 70 kilometers by means of walking, train and by bus. So what is the total distance covered? 70 kilometers. Okay, first let me start with that. So total distance covered is equals to how much? 70 kilometers. So what does this 10 kilometer represents? The distance covered by walking. So the distance covered by walking. The distance covered by walking is equals to how much they have given? 10 kilometers. Okay. Now the distance covered by train is same as, so the distance covered and then by bus as far as twice by the train. So he covered some distance by bus. What is it? Twice by the train. Okay. So here we don't know how much he covered by bus, how much distance he covered by the train. So among these two, which one shall we take it as the variable? So finally, what we are going to find? How much he traveled by the train. So that I am going to take as the variable x. Let the distance covered by the train. So I am taking it as x kilometers. Now try to understand the situation. Then he covered by bus how much? As far as twice by the train. Okay. So distance covered by bus is equals to twice by the train. Twice by the train. 2 times, twice means 2 times of distance covered by the train. How much it is? X. 2x kilometers. Okay, fine. So by walking, by train, by bus, total distance covered is equals to, by walking 10 kilometers plus by train x kilometers plus by bus 2x. That is nothing but 10 plus 1x plus 2x. That is 3x kilometers. But according to the problem, the total distance covered is how much? 70 kilometers. So therefore, what we can do? According to the problem, so 10 plus 3x is nothing but 70. Okay, now we got the simple equation. Now solving the simple equation here, plus 10 transposing to other hand, so that is 3x is equals to 70 plus 10 will become minus 10. Okay, 3x is nothing but 3 into x is equal to 70 minus 10, 16. So 3 is multiplying quantity and moves to the other hand, so that is x is left with x is equals to 60 by 3. In 3 table, 60 is nothing but 3 ones are, 3 twos are, and 0 is there. So that is 20. Okay. So therefore, what is x? X is nothing but the distance covered by the train. So what he asked, how far did he travel by the train? So that only we got, that is x, that is nothing but 20 kilometers. Conclusion, therefore, the distance covered, by the train is equals to 20 kilometers.